Hello everyone, welcome to LifeView YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about growth hormone and its supply. The objective is to know about growth hormone, its function, synthesis, secretion, regulation and clinical significance. Growth hormone is a species-specific hormone. In humans, it is called as human growth hormone (HGH) or somatotropic hormone or somatotropin. It is a small protein molecule having single chain of 191 amino acids and molecular weight of 22,000. Growth hormone stimulates growth of tissues by acting on specific tissues like in bone and cartilages. It increases the number of chondrocytic and osteogenic cells and protein deposition in them. It increases muscle mass and the growth of visceral organs and soft tissues. Growth hormone has multiple specific metabolic effects also. It enhances all facets of amino acid uptake and protein synthesis by cells, while at the same time reducing protein catabolism. Growth hormone enhances the utilization of fat for energy. Excessive growth hormone has ketogenic effect. Under the influence of growth hormone, glucose utilization by skeletal muscle and fat decreases. An increase in glucose production by the liver and insulin secretion by the pancreas is also seen. Growth hormone is synthesized by somatotropes, which are acidophilic cells forming 30 to 40% of total anterior pituitary cells. In this graph, you can see the variation in growth hormone secretion throughout the day. This is because growth hormone is released in a pulsatile pattern. After adolescence, it decreases slowly with aging. Secretion during exercise and first few hours of deep sleep is high. The normal plasma level in an adult is 1.6 to 3 nanogram per ml. In child, it is 6 nanogram per ml. During prolonged starvation, it can go as high as 850 nanogram per ml. Half-life of growth hormone in plasma is less than 20 minutes due to weak attachment with plasma proteins. Most of the functions of growth hormone is mediated through insulin-like growth factor or somatomedins. They are produced mainly in liver under the influence of growth hormone. IGF-1 or somatomedin C is most important among them. Growth hormone level is regulated by hypothalamic hormones and some other factors. Growth hormone releasing hormone is secreted by arcuate and ventromedial nuclei neurons. Likewise, growth hormone inhibitory hormone by periventricular neurons of hypothalamus. They are transported through hypothalamic hypophyseal portal vessels to anterior pituitary gland where they act on somatotropes. Growth hormone releasing hormone to stimulate and growth hormone inhibitory hormone to inhibit growth hormone secretion. Factors that stimulate secretion are decreased blood glucose and free fatty acid, increased blood amino acid like arginine, starvation or fasting, ghrelin, which is a GI hormone, trauma, stress, excitement, exercise, and deep sleep. Factors which act as inhibitory factors are increased blood glucose and blood-free amino acid, aging, obesity, exogenous application of growth hormone. Hypersecretion or hyposecretion of growth hormone can lead to anomalies. A common cause of hypersecretion is acidophilic tumor, which are tumor of pituitary gland including somatotrophs. And for hyposecretion is panhypopituitarism, which causes deficiency of all anterior pituitary hormones. Gigantism occurs due to hypersecretion of growth hormone in children before the closure of epiphysis of long bones. Clinical features are increased height up to 8 feet tall, large hand, feet, soft tissue grow rapidly. Hyperglycemia lead to diabetes mellitus in 10% gain. Acromegaly occurs due to hypersecretion of growth hormone in an adult after fusion of epiphysis. Clinical features are enlargement of bones of hands and feet, membranous bones, soft tissue organs. Prognathis is also seen. As you can see here the features. Pituitary dwarfism occurs due to deficiency of growth hormones since birth or during childhood. Growth rate decreases, leading to growth retardation in all parts and short stature. There is no sexual maturity except 1/3 of dwarf in which only growth hormone is deficient. See the pictures. In Laron syndrome, the growth hormone level is normal or high, but due to mutation of growth hormone receptors, growth hormone fails to stimulate the formation of IGF-1, leading to dwarfism. African pygmies have a hereditary inability to IGF-1 due to congenital abnormality of growth hormone receptors. Reference from GUYTON and Hall textbook of medical physiology. Thank you.